Okay, so I was the last to arrive at Lawncology, so I figured, hey, let's be the last to do a recap. There's no harm in that. So now, I didn't get a whole lot of footage while I was there, simply due to there's a misnomer with my channel name. People think real low means that I cut my grass real low. Actually, it's all about my subscriber count, so that's why you didn't see me up on the stage with everyone else. But all in all, it was a super fantastic time. Finally got to actually meet in person everyone I've been interacting with in the lawn care community for a very, very long time, and it was absolutely wonderful. There's nothing I regret about that weekend. Yeah, there's nothing I regret about that weekend at all. It was fantastic. So, first and foremost, I need to give a big thank you to John Perry. What he put on was absolutely wonderful. I really wish I could have been there for the entire conference. However, I couldn't. So another big thank you is to all my other, cohorts that were in attendance there. Of course, there was Matt Martin. We've gotten into some little bit of trouble here and there. You know, finally getting to meet up with Connor Ward, that was fantastic. He was actually the first person that I ran into while I was there. Then there was Ryan and Alan. They were in the middle of filming that little podcast deal, which if you haven't watched it yet, you need to. With subscriber counts of my channel, yeah, you've probably already watched that thing twice. So then we also have the Greener Lawn, Lush Lawns, and I can't leave out Jake the Lawn Kid. Yeah, so Jake stole the show prior to the DIY meetup when all the pros were outside for kind of a little, I guess you call it a Q&A about the DIY lawn care community. And so this was kind of an avenue for the professionals to kind of see where some other people are coming from. And man, Jake stole the show, and freaking email him. That's what he said in there. So that's the way to do it. So we finished with that, and then we went into the DIY meetup. It was a great time. Got to sit on the sidelines while everyone else was up on the stools, but I'm not worried about that. But we did get to meet a lot of great people, a lot of great DIY guys. Got to meet this dude, man, he had a freaking Bahia yard that, holy cow, it looked like a freaking Kentucky bluegrass yard. How did he do that? Dude's a freaking wizard. That's what, and not the bad kind of wizard. He's a good kind of wizard. So just remember that. So that went great, and then, you know, we went to the pool. We had some fun. We did some cannonballs. I may or may not have taken someone's beer and shared it with another someone. Yeah, that kind of happened too. But so it was a great time. I'm really, really glad that I was able to attend that. More importantly, it was actually my 12th wedding anniversary that weekend. So I actually missed my anniversary because I was driving home on Sunday, but all was good because I was able to obtain unobtainium, because for some reason I can only find Diet Cherry Vanilla Dr. Pepper from the Publix off of Hardin Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida. So Publix, get that up to Knoxville because we need some. I'm tired of driving a long way to get that. So hey, I had a great time there. I hope you all had a great time watching all the videos put out and you all learned something. I'm definitely going back again next year for the whole thing because there's so much knowledge to be gained that I absolutely need it. So again, a big thank you to everyone that was in attendance. I'm so happy you all were there. I'm so happy that I was allowed to attend with you all, and we'll see you all again next year. Have a good one.